How to find Facebook username and user ID. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now simply tap on account center. Now scroll down. Now simply tap on profiles. Now wait for some time. Now tap on your Facebook account. Now simply tap on username. Now here you can find a username. Now to find a user ID, simply go back. Now scroll down and find apps and websites. Now under your activity, go to apps and websites. Now open up any app. Now scroll down. Now here you can find user ID specific to that service. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.